The perfect accompaniment for latkes, potato pancakes, is homemade applesauce. I'll show you how to make some really quick homemade applesauce right now. All you need for homemade applesauce is an assortment of apples, a nice pot with a heavy bottom so you don't burn your applesauce, and a little bit of water and cinnamon. So all you need to do is cut and peel your apples. I like to do it like this. I like to quarter them and then just one by one peel the quarters and seed them at the same time. Now they have all kinds of fancy peelers and corers that you can use, and you figure out what works best for you. Okay, now there are all kinds of apples. You have to experiment with what's in your local market. Some apples are drier and they can cook for a long time and still hold their shape. And other apples dissolve as they cook and they turn into a real soupy sauce. I like to use a variety of apples so that I have a little bit of a mix. That I have some that are sweet and soupy, and some that have a little chunk, so that I have some nice chunky applesauce, and then everyone knows it's really homemade. So we'll just cut and peel a bunch of these apples and place it in our pot, and then we'll just let that slow simmer for about an hour, keeping an eye on it not to burn. And then we'll have some delicious homemade applesauce to go with our latkes.